Hey, it's Rick here, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the Oculus Quest 2 Elite strap with battery and carrying case. Now, this one's going to run you about $129, and yeah, Oculus does make a strap without the battery and case for about $49. I'll link to these in the description down below, but the benefit you get with this is it's an ergonomic strap. It's going to fit and be much more comfortable than the standard fabric strap that comes with the Oculus Quest 2. Because it has a battery in it, it's going to just about double the battery life of your Quest 2. And because that battery's in it, as we are unboxing it here, it's going to serve as a counterweight to balance out the front and the back of the Quest, making it much more comfortable. You saw the opening of the box. We're presented with the case. It also had a diagram to show you how you're supposed to fit the headset and those controllers in it. It's got a little bit of flex to it, but nothing concerning there, and it is sealed up. I don't like that pull tab. It seems a little bit thin to me, so we'll see how that holds up over time. There is a carrying handle here, and this is like a felt material, but it is semi-hard, so it is going to protect your Quest and all of the things inside of this case when it's all sealed up. Let's go ahead and unzip it here, and we'll take a look at the inside. And again, in a future video, I'm going to show how everything fits and, talk in greater detail about my experience with the strap and the battery component. You'll see on the inside, it is lined quite nicely. It talks about removing this with care and to follow the quick start guide for installation instructions. We've got an area for the touch controller. You've got another area here where you can put in the charger itself and the cable. And then the headset is going to fit right in there as well and give you an added layer of protection. Now, the strap itself, you'll notice right here, it's much better designed than the fabric strap that comes stock with your Oculus Quest 2. And what's different about this one is you'll notice the back there is a little bit thicker. And that's because it's got the battery built into it. This is a non-removable, non-replaceable battery, and that cable as well is non-replaceable. You'll see the sides marked left and right, and that's how you're going to install it, and I'll do a separate video on that. And then we've got a pass-through charging port, so you can charge up the battery. You'll notice this plug is going to plug directly into your Oculus Quest. And then we get a quick start guide and some information as well. So again, this is only an unboxing. I'll do an installation video and a final thoughts video in the future after I've had time to use it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe for even more content, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.